Welcome to Kuber Kushabir AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting, and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI engine. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. Please note that the stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this video is for education purposes only. So we do not have any buy recommendations today, but there are a couple of ideas that we had shared, and I think it is time to sell some of those. To start with Asahi India. So Asahi India, let me go in the medium term. And Asahi India had gained around 12%, but if you see recently, it has been dipping in the last couple of trading sessions. So I think it is better to exit this stock and book your profits. We had a target of actually we have met the target. The new target or revised target is 605, but I do not think we are hitting that target right now. So book your profits and sell this one. And the other sell call that we have today is for Sri Renuka Sugars. Now, Sri Renuka Sugars had gone up to 6% and it has slided down again. So I think the upside for this stock, at least in the near term, is over and it has begun to slide down. So again, book your profits in this one and exit out of this stock. Well, Devyani Construction International Limited, that continues to be a buy. You can still go ahead and buy this. And right now it is trading around 164. The target price for this stock is 203. And if you see the RSI, people are buying it quickly. So this may still be a good buy call. So that is all we have for today. Please note that um, do not make these decisions solely based on this video. Do your own research and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Thank you.